Hi. Gap exists between aspirations and results, or between target and actual accomplishment. Organizations must see how such gaps are bridged. They may often be accomplished by backward chaining, logical sequences of actions, or intermediate states from the desired state to the present state. In other words, asking the question, what must be in place or must have been happened in order that this desired state can exist. More important than the scale of gap is the question, gap from what? A small gap may reveal a lack of ambition rather than limited management accomplishment. Those without visions and those who do not dream may be the satisfied and the content. It tends to be those who are restless and dissatisfied who move organizations forward. A judgment may also need to be made as to whether the source of a deficiency lies in the direction or speed of change. So, 2 points. The gap that is perceived could be between a right and a wrong direction. A company could pursue the wrong route towards an agreed goal or objective. Second point. Alternatively, the gap could exist between where a company thinks it is and where it is thought it ought to be. The movement could be in the right direction and along the intended route, but a slower speed than had been anticipated or hoped. The route to be followed will depend upon the obstacles and barriers between where the company is and where it wishes to be. The desired speed of transformation will reflect the extent to which capability, attitudes, and behavior need to adapt to match the requirements for the achievement of corporate goals in the context of evolving opportunities and challenges in a changing external environment. Sometimes the journey seems long and like a traveler on a meandering river, you may appear to be heading in the wrong direction. However, knowing your destination makes it more likely that you will arrive. While effective leaders are alert to changing circumstances, they also remain true to their core aspirations and strategic intentions. Targeting the gap is an important action that any management should take, even though the targets have been achieved. Visit my blog asifjmeer.wordpress.com to access enormous data on the gap management and strategies. I can craft strategies for bridging gaps in your business activity. My website is up and running and can be logged at www.asifjmeer.com. Thank you for listening. God bless you.